Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got this makeup look right here using the Too Faced White Chocolate Bar palette. I really like this, but it's been getting some negative reviews. It's definitely a different palette. Lots of pastels in there. There's some mattes, some shimmers, but it is a very light palette, and it's been kind of turning a lot of people off, which I get. Honestly, the palette didn't wow me at first, but I was sent it, and I actually think it looks more beautiful in person than it does online. So I've been really enjoying playing around with this, and I have been for weeks. So I thought I would just kind of show you my go-to look that I create using this palette, which is this look right here. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I've gone ahead and just applied my base products, so foundation, concealer, powder, bronzer, highlight, all of that stuff, just so that we could get right into the eye look. My base routine hasn't really changed a whole lot. I've been using the same products for a while now, so if you're interested in seeing what they are, they're mostly from Urban Decay, but I'll insert, I think it's the side, maybe this side, with the video, just kind of my everyday makeup routine. It's the same products that I used in that except for the eyes, and I have a blog post on my favorite foundation routine right now, so I'll put that in the description box if you want to go ahead and read it, but for now we'll just get into the eye look. So inside the palette, there's tons of really great neutrals and pastels. In my opinion, I really like this. And so today I'm going to be kind of going for a more neutral eye look with just a pop of this kind of metallic lilac shade there. So basically what I'm going to do is just start off by applying my transition color. I'm going to be using the shade Cake Batter, and I'm just taking my Sigma E25 blending brush, and I'm just going to be popping that into my crease and just kind of working my way up to the brow bone. Okay, so once I've got that done, I'm going to be taking chocolate syrup on the exact same brush, and I'm just going to go and apply that into my crease, but just not as high as I've applied Cake Batter, just to give the eye look a bit of warmth and a bit of depth. Again, with that same Sigma brush, I'm taking the shade Smoked Sea Salt, and I'm again just going to apply that into the crease just to really build up the depth of this look. And then I'm also, when I'm done that, going to just apply it to the outer corner of my eyelid too. Okay, and then I'm going to take my Sigma E40 tapered blending brush, and I'm just gonna blend out the eyeshadow just to make sure that I don't have any harsh lines, just because all of the shades that I used so far were matte, and I just find that they can take a little bit more time to blend in. So just going over everything to make sure that it's all blended out together. I'm then taking my Sigma E30 pencil brush, and again with Smoked Sea Salt, I'm just going to run it underneath my lower lash line, just to kind of add a bit more definition. I'm then going to add in the pop of purple, so I'm using the shade Sugared Raisin, and I'm actually just going to apply this with my finger, just kind of pressing from where I've got my outer corner shade kind of over to my inner corner, and I'm just kind of patting and sweeping the shadow just to really pack on the glitter. You wanted to really make it stand out. There is the shade Lavender Cake, which is a pretty bright matte lilac. You could even put that underneath to really make it pop, but because I want it to be a bit more subtle, I'm just gonna apply the one shade. Also with my finger, I'm just going to take the shade Exotica and pat that into my inner corners. It's a really pretty champagne shimmer, and it's just going to help open up the eye look and make my eyes look a little bit brighter. And then I'm going to highlight my brow bone. I'm just taking the shade Glaze on a Sephora smudge brush, and I'm just going to put that underneath the arches of my brows just to brighten up the look and just kind of make everything seamlessly blend together. So I just applied liner off camera just because it takes me forever, but I use the Kat Von D tattoo liner. As always, it is my favorite. And now I'm going to go in with mascara to kind of finish off the eye look, and for that I am using my Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. I just really love this one right now. It is kind of my go-to. It gives really great volume and length, and I just really love the end result. So I'm just going to give my lashes a quick coat of this mascara. Keeping with the pastel theme of this makeup look, I'm going to go in with my favorite nude lipstick right now, which is the L'Oreal and Balmain lipstick in the shade Urban Safari. This is my favorite nude right now, and I feel like it'll just really kind of pull the look together. Alright, so that is my completed makeup look using the new Too Faced White Chocolate Bar palette. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see me create more looks with the palette, let me know in a comment down below, because there's definitely a lot of shades in there that I didn't use, and it's just a really fun palette to play around with. So let me know if you want to see more looks. As always, I'm going to leave a link to my blog and all of my social media platforms in the description box, so go ahead and check those out, and I will see you guys next week with another video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!